Okay, let's quickly work on the regular shapes. So, how about we start with regular triangles? So, a regular, so can you draw a regular triangle? I'm going to give you about 2 minutes. Let's pause the video. Now, regular here does not mean normal or ordinary. It actually means same length and same interior angles. So that's something that people may have some misunderstandings of the regular shapes. So a regular triangle has to have all three sides the same, and all the interior angles should be the same. So a regular triangle is now if you have seen the video, watch the video of the compass, you may know how to draw a regular triangle. So this triangle has 3 equal sides. So this is a regular triangle. This is a regular triangle. It has 3 equal sides and equal interior angles. So this is a regular triangle. We call it a equilateral triangle. Now, equilateral means equal sides, right? Means equal length. So, what about an equal quadrilateral? So, what about regular quadrilateral? Can you draw a regular quadrilateral? Let's pause the video. Now, a regular quadrilateral, is it an equilateral quadrilateral? Now, if you have watched the video of the first or second compass video, if you haven't, I'll quickly put the link here. Equilateral quadrilateral means it is, right, let's see. So I pick 2 dots, I draw 2 sides here. Oops, that's not perfect. Then I have another same length here, and from here as well. The cross section here, if I draw this becomes a, who knows the shape? This is rhombus. Rhombus is an equilateral quadrilateral, means they are all the same size. Now the interior angles are different. This is clearly larger than the side corners here. Now the regular quadrilateral has to have the same interior angles. So that is a square, isn't it? So I have to make these corners 90 degrees. So a regular quadrilateral should be square. So let's try to draw a square. Let's see if you can remember. Let's draw a dot. I'm going to use Maybe the square needs to be about this long. Now, let's see if I can make this longer. So I can draw a perpendicular line. So let's go there, do this. Maybe I can use the same length there. So there. Then so this here, this is going to be perpendicular line to the original line, so it's going to be 90 degrees. So if I draw a line from this dot down, this is perpendicular line. Now I need to find the same length here. So this is the point there. So I need another perpendicular line here. So let's do this and make it slightly larger here. And I draw a perpendicular line straight down to the dot. Now I measure the length. This, oh, it's close. This is the point I need. If I connect these two crosses, this is a square, which is a regular quadrilateral. Yeah. Now, what else can we do? What more regular polygons can I draw? I'll give you a bit of time to think about it. Now, the second video of the compass drawing was about the angles. So, knowing a regular hexagon should look like this, has its same length and its same angles. And when you think about it, it's made of 6 regular triangles, right? And if you're grade 6, this should be 60 degrees. So if I can draw a regular triangle, I should be able to put 6 regular triangles together. Or there is a different way. Now let's compare this. So if I have this is the diameter of a circle, and this is the center of the circle. Now, can you see that? This length here will be the same. Now, this is the radius. This is the radius. This is the group of the equidistant dots, right? So if I do this, I can make an equilateral triangle right here. That has right here, and I need another one over here. And this is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees, by the way. And this is 60 degrees again. And this is 180 degrees. This is also 60 degrees. If I draw connect these dots. Now I have the very top half of this equilateral hexagon. And I'll do the same thing at the bottom. I don't need to connect those lines to the center. Simply I can connect these dots to draw a regular hexagon. This is a regular hexagon. Now, how about I'm going to give you a bit of time to draw a regular hexagon or regular quadrilateral or and equilateral triangle. Let's quickly pause the video. Now, pentagon will be very tricky. It'll be great if you can try. We just made hexagon, a regular hexagon. Do you know what the seventh sided shape is called? It's called heptagon or septagon. Now, octagon. I think we have a bit of chance making octagon. I'll quickly show you why. So I think now regular hexagon should look like this, something like this, right? And these are all equal size. And I think clearly I can see this on a regular hexagon. So there's a square in here. I can see a 45-degree angle here. And I know how to draw 45 degrees angle. Let's check the compass drawing video. So if I utilize this, I should be able to draw a regular hexagon. What do you think? How about I'll give you a bit of time to try. Now, honestly, this is the first time I'm trying this. So I would start from, let's start from this side here. So I will just go draw a big line. And this is going to be a hexagonal shape. So let's try. I'll go about this big. And I can see if I draw a perpendicular line here, I should be able to hit the another corner and this as well. So I'm going to start from there. Let's see if I can. So if I draw a perpendicular line from here and extend, and the same here. Okay. Ooh, that's not good. And I extend this line as well. I should be able to hit these two corners somewhere. But I can make a 45-degree angle here. So then the length of this side should be exactly the same as this side. So, do you remember how to bisect the angle? So, I'm going to bisect this angle by drawing a square here. So, I draw, this is 45 degrees. I do the same thing on the other side as well. So now this should be 45-degree angle, and I should be able to hit these two corners using that 45-degree angles. Now, remember, a regular hexagon is an equilateral hexagon. Sorry, this is octagon. So remember, a regular octagon is an equilateral octagon as well. So this length here and this length here should be the same. So this is another, well, these are the two vertices of the regular hexagon, the octagon. Now, what I need is, I need a parallel line to this. Means I need a perpendicular line going down to this first line. So I go, you've seen my first video or second video. If I make a rhombus, this is going to be a perpendicular line. So, oops, just a bit. Right, I do the same thing on the other side. I need a perpendicular line going down or to the side. This is not good. How about I try from here to there? Should be exactly the same as here to there. So I'll use this dot. Right, if I draw a, so I should be able to hit the other two more vertices by measuring the size of each side. Right, so here to that is, we're getting there, right? So far, can you see it? We have achieved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides of a regular hexagon. We're getting there. Now, what could I do? What is the best way? Of course, this is the side, right? This is the length of each side. So if I measure it, from this vertex, we just found the last two vertices of the regular octagon. Maybe I have been saying hexagon, haven't I? So this, now, I just constructed a regular octagon. So I wonder if we can do more. So we have made a regular triangle, regular quadrilateral, which is a square. We haven't made a pentagon yet. We have done hexagon. We have just made a regular octagon. Do you know what this is called? It's called nonagon and decagon. Then there's I think it's a hendecagon. Then the dodecagon. There possibly is dodecagon. It has a bit of chance, but you can try some of these. However, the important part is a regular shape means it has same length and same interior angles. So hope you enjoyed it. You can play with compasses. So this is a bit of extra. Now I'm going to draw an equilateral, means same length pentagon. What does it look like? So I'll quickly pause the video. Maybe you can try to draw an equilateral pentagon using a compass. Equilateral pentagon, I can just make 1, 2, 3, and I have to find a dot that is equidistant from this dot and this dot, right? So this is now equilateral pentagon. Is this a regular pentagon? Is this a regular pentagon? Well, it looks like it's not, because this angle here is a lot smaller than this angle. This is just under 90 degrees maybe. This is clearly an obtuse angle. So can you make another equilateral pentagon? Looks slightly different. Now, equilateral pentagon has all 5 sides the same. So I'm going to draw another one. Let's see, I start with a dot. Let's see if I can find another one over here. Let's make another one somewhere here. Same length from here, somewhere there. Now I can go, let's quickly draw. So now, can you see, I can find a dot somewhere up here or somewhere inside the cup. So this is an equilateral pentagon. Remember, pentagon is a 5-sided polygon. Oops. This way. This is also an equilateral pentagon. So can you see that equilateral shapes and irregular shapes are totally different things?